This video will show you how to grow a diagram in LibreOffice Calc with a growing number of values. That means you have already values right now and you want to add additional ones in the future, and you want to see them in an existing diagram automatically. Well, first, LibreOffice can't do this automatically, but there's a workaround. For this, we have to mark our numbers, but also the numbers we expect in the future. Let's say up to 20 for this project. Then we insert a chart, let's say columns, next, finish, and we get what we expected. Our chart with our values, but also with the empty ones. And we don't want to see the empty ones, so we have to hide them. For this, we make use of the autofilter function of LibreOffice Calc. But we have to apply the autofilter function in a special way, otherwise it won't work. For this, we have to mark our values and also the future ones. Click on autofilter. This is important. Then you can go to the arrow key of the X values of the autofilter and we choose not empty, and boom. We get what we wanted. Just the numbers we already have. And you can see on the left side that the lines 8 to 21 are hidden. But when we want to add additional numbers in the future, we have to make them visible again. For this, we can use the autofilter function again. We click on this arrow button again of the X values and go to all. And we click on all 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you see all is now activated. And then we click on OK. And you can see all hidden lines are visible now. And we can add some additional numbers. Let's say 7, 23, 8, 9. Okay. You can see Calc adds them in the diagram automatically, and now we can hide the empty ones again with the same procedure. Well, that's it. This workaround is not perfect as every workaround, but it does a job. And I hope this helps some people out there. And yeah, have fun.